let's talk about what's in the box or in the bin, depending on how you're ordering. If you're ordering a subscription box, you're going to get a box like this, and inside will have everything you need for the experiments or for the lessons. If you're ordering a homeschool kit or a classroom kit, your lessons will come in a bag, but they will have the same content. So what do you find when you open the box or the bag? One of the first things you're going to find is this little card. This card will tell you where to find the video tutorials for each lesson. So don't skip that card. Other thing you're going to find in box 1, in the first box or in the first lesson, you're going to see that you have a starter kit. The starter kit has all the equipment you're going to need for all of the lessons in the chemistry series. You will also find materials that are particular to that lesson. In this case, it's a little bit of paint. You'll also find a set of lab pages. The lab pages are pages that you will open. There's a how to make your own notebook section, and you will create your own little lab notebook by opening up the pages using the tape to seal the edge. The other thing you're going to find in the box or in each lesson is a What is Chemistry reader. The What is Chemistry reader is really just a primer. It's to get you thinking about different chemistry ideas, like what is chemistry, and later on atoms and molecules and chemical reactions. And then at the end of the reader, there's a section that asks you to create your own questions about chemistry. So what questions do you have about chemistry? And your lab notebook will follow along with that process. Will prompt you in various places to ask and answer your own questions. And this question asking and answering piece is one of the most important parts of the RATATAZ method. RATATAZ is more than just having me or an instructor ask you questions. It's really all about getting you to ask and answer your own questions, because that's where the magic of learning happens. And that's what's inside a RATATAZ kit.